Say hi. I'm eating my lunch. Yeah. Yeah. There is. Oh. Can't sneak a bite in? It's good stuff. No. You gotta make all these funny noises so you eat. Come on. Mama's gotta sneak them bites in. You already ate your carrots though, so you're doing good. Yes, I got all over her. I see her new baby Nikes. Aww. Aren't those just so cute? Her little baby Nikes. Yes. Her so stylish. Ready for another bite? We got more on your face than we do the belly. Yes, we do. Say mama. Mama. Say hi, Mom. I'm gonna tickle your hand again. Let's see. Here we go, watch. I can get the camera to stay up. Oh no. Alright. Ready? Maybe I can do it that way. There we go. Alright, watch. Oh, you were laughing. It was funnier the first time. Are you happy, baby? Say hi, Mom. Say hi, Grandma. Today's Grandma's birthday. Say happy birthday, Grandma. Happy birthday, Grandma. And say hi, Aunt Pat. Say we'll be seeing you this weekend, I think. Oh, you're so silly. Want to watch the bunny? Ready? Here it goes. Oh, her gets so excited. There it goes. Let's let him go. There he goes. Don't put him in your mouth like that. What? Get that bunny. Get him. Get that bunny. Can I watch him go off the table? Oh, he stopped. There he goes. Where's that bunny going to? Get back here, bunny. He's a bun. He's a bun. Alright, say bye. Bye.